Okay, hello everybody. For this project, I chose to analyze Padlet, which is an education tool that I have previously used before, and I am currently working at a school in my district, and these students, this is elementary grades, kinder through second, these students do utilize Padlet in their classroom. So let's start with what is a Padlet. I'm going to go ahead and explain that first before I show you how you can create one. So we have a blank screen here, but Padlet, it's very much a digital canvas where you can create projects, and it makes it really easy to share it with the class, to the public, and it's very easy to also collaborate on for the students. So you start off by having a black screen. You go off here to the right and you will click Make a Padlet. You have 7 different choices. The teacher can set this up prior to the students if needed, such as if they're younger students. If this is more middle school, high school level, then you can kind of give the students the free will to decide what they want to do. You could do a grid, a stream, kind of like a feed on Instagram or TikTok, a shelf, timeline for more like events and projects, a wall. Let's go ahead and do a wall. You can also create grocery lists, Venn diagrams, a discussion board. You could do group greeting cards. This also allows you to do portfolios. It's very effective to share with teachers, students, and other individuals. Okay, so it brings you to this page. It gives you the option to title this. So I would title this, let me see. You can use this as a good icebreaker in the beginning of the semester. Let's actually change this. All about me's. Students love doing these. This is a great way to keep the students engaged because you're using technology. It's just as if you had a piece of paper and pen, but this steps it up and allows the students to be engaged and stay engaged throughout this time. You can add a description. You can change the wallpaper color, the pictures, solid colors, gradients. Come down here, you can add emojis. So it really does let you do a lot. And it also gives you the URL to copy and link into like discussion boards when the students are posting, anything like that. So you're gonna hit next. So this is once you would present it, but obviously this is not ready for presentation. So your subject. For the younger students, teachers can provide these templates already. You can add photos. You can upload photos. Let's see if mine will pop up here. So for hobbies, students are able to upload. I don't have the photo here, but here we go. See if it goes. This, I believe, tells you everything that's filling up. So while you wait for your photo to publish, you can start off by listing. So this would be my introduction photo. You really want to push the students to be as creative as they can, the more they put into it, the more they'll get out of it. It's really fun. They can work in groups if you need to, helping each other out before they go to the teacher. So when you go, you can also transform this into many things. That's why I believe a lot of teachers love to use it. It's a very versatile app, desktop that students can use. You can change it into lesson plans. You can do timelines, blogs. You can use this as a to-do list in the classroom, connect this to your smartboard and use that to go through the schedule for the day. You can use this also when writing prompts with the students working on their writing. It's also another great way to keep parents informed. Parents can make this and stay in the loop about what's going on in class, especially with younger students. That communication sometimes breaks when, backpacks aren't checked. It's happened before. You can do it just for feedback. Collecting feedback. How am I doing in the class? You want your students to let you know. It can easily be something like, okay, class, I'm about to post this onto Padlet. Go ahead and log into Padlet and respond with an emoji of how you are feeling today after going over our math lesson. How do you think I did explaining this? Simple like that. I've used that personally in the Kids iTutor, and it's a quick and effective way. Not everyone is good with words and all that stuff, so this makes it a great tool. And it can easily be as something, let me do this. So, do some of my favorite hobbies include swimming, simple as that. Then I'll hit publish and it should publish. See, simple as that.